Assalamu alaikum, guys. How are you? Jummah Mubarak to my brothers and sisters in Islam, and happy Friday. So, I wanted to just tell you something from my heart today. And, well, actually, no. Everything I tell you is from the heart. However, this is probably just something a little bit more personal. When I reverted to Islam, Ilhamdallah, a few years back, I knew the 5 pillars and what was expected of me. And if I'm honest, praying 5 times a day and fasting for Ramadan, I felt like that was quite an extreme form of worship. And a few years on, I now get it. And I know that sounds so basic. It's like, well, of course you're going to get it. You know, it makes sense. And at the time, obviously, I knew it was divine revelation. I believed it was the truth. So it wasn't for a lack of understanding that it's right for us, but it's having the conviction and seeing the results. And that is what I want to tell you about, because there's so many of us, and of course faith is going to fluctuate. That's life, you know, we're humans, but it's all about coming back, you know, to the straight path. And I think for me, having now prayed and been a Muslim, alhamdulillah, for like 4 or 5 years, alhamdulillah, it's completely changed my life. Wholeheartedly, I can say I get it. I understand why praying 5 times a day is prescribed for us, because if I think back pre-Islam, those not very nice or content days, I would have positive affirmations. I would, you know, meditate in my own way, but it didn't fulfill everything, if I'm honest. Praying, on the other hand, now it feels like that's everything that I need to do to have contentment, physically, emotionally, mentally, psychologically, spiritually. And I know that those 5 times a day, I strive to be a better person in between praying. It makes me have perspective. It makes me grateful. And all of those positive things. So alhamdulillah. And in addition to that, fasting, like we all know the benefits of fasting. It's not easy on the day, but we know, and science too has caught up, SubhanAllah. So many doctors are now recommending fast twice a week. They're even thinking about incorporating it into a treatment for patients that have got serious conditions. So my point today is, if you ever feel like you're drifting away, or you just need to get back on that straight path, you know in your heart what the right thing is to do. And sometimes just praying 2 rak'ah, it brings you back, and we've got perspective and focus and that contentment that I personally don't think you can get anywhere else. And I'm talking from coming from a place of being a non-Muslim, you know, always striving to fill that void. And I've got it now, alhamdulillah. So I just wanted to share that with you, because it's so important. And stay focused. And Jummah Mubarak to you all. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and blessed Friday. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.